Hi, it's Bethany, and today we're planning out the week of June 28th through July 4th in my hourly plum paper planner. It's actually really early in the morning. I've got coffee handy, and so if my voice sounds a little off, it's because this is my first time talking today. Today it is actually a tournament day for us. I'll show you this week. So here it is Saturday morning. We have Chris's first game coming up at 11, and so I need to film earlier in the morning than usual, and my lighting is weird, so I'm gonna try to see if I can, hopefully it's okay and not too bad, but usually I find like that afternoon lighting is best in my office, so we're gonna see how this goes. But here's the after the pen for the week I'm currently in. I really like how it turned out. I especially enjoy putting my book percentage as I was reading, because I was getting close to finishing it, and I did finish it last night, and, oh sorry, not last night. Yeah, that's last night. That was Friday. I'm like, what is going on? Okay, so Friday I finished my book, and that means I'm totally on track for my 2021 reading challenge to read 12 books this year. And then I also downloaded and started a new one and got a little bit into that last night as well. All right, so this week is the week of July 4th. It feels a little off, I'll admit, just to me, because the 4th is all the way over on Sunday, but I think it's gonna be fun. I do have this really super cute kit from CaraJoPlans. It's the first time using her shop. I've actually been following her channel on YouTube. I'll put a link to her channel and also her shop in the comments below, but her channel and her Instagram for a while. And I didn't know she had a shop until recently, and I was like, what? How did I miss this? And of course I went over, and when I saw this kit, I was like, that is perfect for July 4th. And so this is what we're doing today. I love that it's really unique, and it has the two different blue colors, so it kind of makes it, I feel like, a little bit more modern than just having the three red, white, and blue. All right, so I'm gonna get started with washi. This kit comes with a whole ton of stuff on it. So let's see, there's washi on these 2 pages, and this one has it with the header sheets. I don't know if this one is meant to necessarily be with the header, but we're gonna try to get down some washi and all of these date covers and go from there. All right, so I actually really love this glitter washi. I'm gonna see if this fits in the, I think it does, right on the header and the plum paper. It just barely fits perfectly in there. I have to admit, I've been having a whole lot of fun lately with these videos. I'm feeling like I'm kind of getting my groove back, and things are clicking with content creation and getting things uploaded in a timely manner again. For a little while, it was feeling like a chore, I will admit. I don't know, I just kind of got into a funk, but it feels really good to be back into a really good groove, especially this month. I feel like I've kind of got that groove back. And I'm extra excited to be putting together some daily spreads starting Wednesday. So Thursday. Wednesday going into Thursday. I'm like, I know I thought about Wednesday before. Okay, so setting up, for example, the night before. So yeah, starting Wednesday, I'm really looking forward to putting together some pages in my daily. And what I think I want to do is to go in and do maybe 5 days of daily spreads all together here on the channel, just because I like when I do that first with the planner. It kind of helps me get centered and figure out how I want to use it, and I think it's just fun to share. So I think that that's what I'm going to do, is that the first at least 5 days. I might keep it going if I'm really liking it and if I'm able to get things uploaded, but definitely I think I want to do those first few days. And I really like how the headers look like they line up really well with the lines in the hourly layout here as well. And then down at the bottom, I'm going to use this blue glitter washi. And I really love that other patriotic stripe washi, but I also feel like I really have been using the space down here, so I don't know that I want to lose it. And I also don't want to lose my evening hours either. So I think in this case, I'm just going to save it for the aforementioned daily spreads and use some of it there when I get to 4th of July in that planner. Okay, so I'm curious. I've seen a couple posts in a few different message boards for plum paper asking about paper quality this year on plum paper versus quality last year's. And usually the quality seems to stem around the topic of stickers being removable or not in the newer one. And so the comments I've seen are folks saying that the paper is more delicate and harder to remove stickers from this year than prior years. So I actually bought my first plum paper a little over a year ago now. So I'm curious, if you're a plum paper person, such as myself, have you noticed any difference in the quality? Because I mean, I don't know. I don't feel like I've seen a drastic difference, but I also probably don't pay as close attention to some of those things as maybe would be helpful. And by the way, this is my favorite sticker in the whole kit. How cute is this little guy? So I thought this was cool. And with the date covers, we also have this week's sticker that is in the same theme here. And so I'm going to kind of just stick this up here. There we go. All right, so let's get into the actual plans. I've really been enjoying putting the stickers and things on the labels first. I find it helps me pre-plan a little bit, and then I'm not feeling as scrambled or forgetting things. So for now, I'm liking doing it. I'm sure I'll change it up at some point, but right now it's working out pretty well. So Monday, there are a few trainings. So I'm going to stick those in first. And then of course there's meetings and various things throughout Tuesday. I feel like this is probably the most boring part for you guys, is just like, what meetings and trainings? So I'm a training specialist and training is my job. That's why all these training stickers are here. And I really do love what I do. I find that if I have a whole bunch of days without any trainings, it starts to feel kind of weird. So I'm glad that this week is going to be pretty full. I'm trying to kind of mix up the colors because I like that color sprinkled throughout vibe. I probably could have like color coded meetings and training separately, but that honestly didn't even really occur to me. So we're just gonna go with this. So I'd love to know, what are your plans for this 4th of July? We're not really planning on doing anything. We're kind of just sticking around home, and I'm very excited to be doing so. It's kind of nice to have some time without any plans, especially after this weekend, which is going to be crazy tournament weekend. Okay, so we do have a couple things going on in the evening here I want to put on this first half, and one that I forgot is that Loon, either I forgot it or I didn't see it, but I actually was sure when I checked the calendar he didn't have hockey this week, but now it is on the calendar, so let's go ahead and add that in. And he has hockey later in the evening usually. And then he has golf on Tuesday and Wednesday. And these actually are usually kind of more middle, but I want to save these for kind of check boxes or other things that I'm going to be doing during these actual hours, because in the evening I'm usually relaxing and hanging out as well. So we're just going to leave that as is. Oh, also, and let's see, Phoebe has a grooming appointment, and that is on Wednesday as well. She really needs it. So I'm actually going to drop her off on my lunch break and then pick her up after work. So I think this is looking really cool. I do like having meals in my planner though, so I'm tempted to put those in here as their own appointments, because I've really been enjoying using this for actual to-dos. And so one thing that I do want to get done this week is I want to get my ring fixed. So actually, I used to have another ring here, another diamond ring, but it broke one day, and that was, I mean, it was weird because I went to go dry my hands off and the band like broke apart and like actually pinched a chunk of skin in like into the little gap that it had created. It was super painful and super disappointing. And so I haven't had my other ring on for like months. I don't know how long. So it's been a really long time. I just realized that, especially now that COVID's calming down, I can get it fixed. It was one of those things where at the time I was like, I can't really justify going out to fix it, but now we're well past that. And so I'd like to get that done. And also Wesley has some kind of a fundraiser situation that I need to figure out even what it is. Not even sure if I spelled that right. Okay, how perfect is this? I just noticed that this kit has these little meal labels, which I don't usually have in kits that I get. So I'm gonna take advantage and put these down for all of our meals this week. All right, so all the meals are down. Let's go ahead and flip to the second half. So Friday morning, I have a doctor's appointment before work, and then let's see, a meeting at 11. And then Chris has a doctor's appointment in the afternoon at 4. This is checking in with his narcolepsy doctor. We do that about every 6 months. Oh, let's see, Thursday is also my nephew Joe's birthday, so I'm just gonna stick this one on, maybe not too far in the evening. You know what, I'm gonna put it right exactly after Chris's doctor's appointment so that we can all call him together. We usually call everyone in our family the day of their birthday, and the second they pick up, we sing them the happy birthday song, and we call it the birthday bomb. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I don't know, we've always done it. So we'll do that for Joe, and then in the evening, Lou and I have date night. So, okay, so I realized that I was actually putting all of the Friday stuff on Thursday, but I have fixed it. It's always that moment of like, what? Oh man, come on. All right, anyway, that is all fixed and good to go now. I will say that the stickers came up pretty easily. The ones that I had stuck, it's just a little still sticky on the paper now, so I'll just find another sticker to put on there so that the pages don't stick to each other. All right, so looking at the weekend, Loon does have a golf tournament, so I'm just gonna stick this in here. And then of course it's the 4th of July on the 4th. I'm just gonna add in with another few decorative stickers here. The Relax and Chill is Planner Kate. All right, so that is it. I'm really loving how the spread turned out. Super cute and super patriotic. So I'm definitely recommend checking out Cara Jo's shop. Again, I'll put the link in the description below, but this kit is adorable and I'm really enjoying it for my 4th of July week. So I hope you're having a wonderful, safe, and happy 4th of July. Wonderful day, wonderful week, and we will chat soon, guys. Bye.